Looking for the best AI presentation tool in 2026? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how Pi AI creates professional presentations, generates AI images, produces AI videos, and automates hours of work with just a single prompt. Stay tuned, and I'll show you exactly how it works step by step. Let's go to Google and search for Pi, then click the very first link. I have also provided the link in the description of this video. This is the homepage of Pi. Presentations are now easier than ever with Pi. Simply enter your presentation topic, and Pi's agent will turn your ideas into a polished professional presentation. The rest of the work will be done automatically with the help of Pi. You can also add attachments to make your presentation more detailed and accurate. The best part is that using this one tool, you can generate AI videos, AI images, and complete one-click presentations, and use all of them directly inside your presentation. From now on, say goodbye to using different tools to generate images and videos for your presentations. Use one single tool for everything. Below the homepage, you can see how different people use Pi to create different styles of presentations. You can also create this type of presentation easily. To get started, first you need to log in. You can log in with your email address or Google account. For this demonstration, I will use my email address. Once you are inside your dashboard, you will see different options. You can create image presentations, use one-click generation to create polished slides from your existing content, use agent mode to deeply research and create content for complex topics, or start from a blank page. For this demonstration, we will use agent mode. Click on Agent Mode and type your presentation topic. I will type, create a professional presentation about modern marketing strategies for business growth in 2026. Include the latest marketing trends, practical real-world examples, successful brand case studies, and reliable sources. If you want to attach any document, you can do that as well. Once everything is ready, press Enter. Pi will start processing. First, it will search the web and gather useful information about your topic. This information is then used to generate a high-quality presentation with perfect details. On the right side of the canvas, you can see the web search results with different website sources. On the left side, you will need to confirm some settings related to your presentation. First, select the language of your presentation. Different languages are available, so choose the best one according to your need. We will select English. Next, select the number of content pages and customize it according to your requirement. After that, select your target audience and enter the relevant details. Then, fill in the additional settings to include any extra information about your presentation. Once these steps are done, it is time to select the theme, one of the most important parts of your presentation. You will see options for Theme Hub and My Theme. We will go with a theme from the Scene section. Select the scene of your presentation, then choose a style. For this demonstration, I will use a textile style. After that, select a color for your slides. Different color options are available, so pick the one you prefer. Once everything is selected, click Submit. Pi will now start generating the outline of your presentation. Please be patient. Once the outline is ready, you will see it on the right side of the canvas. Every detail in the outline is perfectly aligned with the information we provided. Pi will then ask you to confirm the PPT generation for a better match with your goals. It will generate a 9-page presentation. Click Confirm to proceed. Pi will now start generating the full presentation based on your requirements. Please be patient. Once it is ready, you will see a high-quality professional presentation. Every slide is perfectly designed, easy to understand, and visually beautiful. Simply enter your topic, Pi generates the outline, you select the theme, and your presentation is ready. You can also share and export it directly. Now, if you want to modify your presentation, click on Modify. From here, you can edit any text and make changes according to your needs. You can change the text color, font style, and edit each slide easily and effortlessly. The best part is that you can also add AI-generated image cards directly into your presentation. You can change the card layout, image settings, color settings, and more. You can also use AI to improve your writing, fix spelling and grammar mistakes, and translate your presentation into different languages. Many other features are available to make your presentation even better. Now let's generate an image using AI. Click on AI Image Edit. Here, describe the image you want. You can choose from image generation models such as GPT Image and Nano Banana Pro. Select the best one according to your need, then choose the aspect ratio. In the prompt bar, I will type a premium futuristic marketing strategy concept illustration in a clean corporate style. A confident business professional standing in front of a large interactive digital dashboard. Press enter and Pi will start generating the image. Once it is ready, you will see a high-quality professional image generated instantly. You can use this image directly in your presentation easily and effortlessly. You can also change the theme of your presentation at any time. Click on Theme, select a new theme, and it will instantly appear on all your slides. From page settings, you can adjust the card size, zoom in and out, change the basic text style, and access more options to make your presentation more attractive. Now, let's preview the full presentation. As you can see, a modern, professional presentation has been generated successfully with the help of Pi. From now on, say goodbye to expensive presentation tools. You can create high-quality presentations with this one amazing tool. To export your presentation, click on Export. From here, you can add collaborators, share the presentation with friends, or export it in different formats such as PDF, PNG, or PowerPoint. For this demonstration, I will select Export as PowerPoint. Once the download is complete, let's open it. Wow, amazing! We have created such a stunning presentation with the help of Pi. Every slide is perfectly aligned with our requirements, and the images are high quality. You can create this type of presentation easily and effortlessly. But we are not done yet. You can also generate a video and use it directly inside your presentation. Click on AI Video, then click on Generate a new video. From here, you can select a frame, add a reference image or reference video, and customize according to your needs. Under Model, two options are available, Seedance 2.0 and Seedance 2.0 Fast. Select the one that best fits your need. Then choose the aspect ratio. With this amazing tool, you can generate HD quality videos, and the best part is you can generate videos up to 15 seconds long. In the prompt bar, I will type a corporate office scene featuring a confident businessman and a professional businesswoman standing side by side in front of a massive transparent holographic marketing dashboard. I will select Seedance 2.0 as the model, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, select the resolution, and set the duration to 13 seconds. Once everything is done, press enter. Pi will start generating the video. Please be patient. Once the video is ready, let's play it. Wow, amazing. With the help of this incredible tool, we have created a high-quality professional video and can use it directly inside our presentation. From now on, say goodbye to expensive and separate tools for presentations, images, and videos. Use Pi to generate images and videos and add them directly into your presentation to make it more attractive and professional. You must try Pi and create a presentation for yourself. I will provide the link in the description of this video. Try out this amazing AI tool and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Ustad 2.0 for the latest updates about AI tools and trends.